Hello everyone, we are Group Book Girls at ABO503. Our topic is collaboration and innovation in depth analysis of the shared office industry. Next, we will present our analysis from the following 5 aspects.
Chapter 1 Introductory. 1.1 Background. The global success and proliferation of the sharing economic model has triggered of the sharing of all resources, physical and human time and space, toggle and integrable, communicate and non-communicable. New sharing economic practices are emerging at all levels, changing the way local resources are allocated and people's way of life. The partition and innovative integrate of the sharing economic concept in the medical practice sector has divided the global reach of co-working space, which are practiced by workspace, retail space design, and community building, and has rapidly developed into another highlight of the sharing economic industry. 1.2 Research purpose and significance. In this paper, by short of the research building of co-working space at home and about, integrating the research result of various similar to different definition of co-working space, extensive sort out the industry information and data, and analyzing the market situation of co-working space and analyzing the successful co-working space in the industry, such as WeWork and USI Cobol. On a theoretical level, the article enriched the research context on the field of the co-working in China. Co-working is still an emerging industry in China. This paper analyzes the market development of China co-working space, lecture collection and industry story. Explore the classification of China's co-working space with different co-profit points, research and analyze different business models. Enrich the relevant research and has zero creating significance for promoting the development of co-working space in China. On the practical level, this paper is of great practical significance for the continuous development of co-working in China. This paper starts from the origin and development of co-working space, combines the market segmentation of co-working space, discuss the development student start of the co-working space through data analysis, for completion case study and collect and analyze the future direction of development, and then analyze the practices of the development of co-working industry and the existing program. Considers the methods and ideas for solving those problems, and teach the development rate of the co-working market in order to the long-term healthy development of co-working space, provide suggestion and exploration, which has central practice significance to market analysis. Chapter 2 Market Analysis. Economic Factors. Global economic factors in recent years and centralities in the global economy, such as trade conflicts and geopolitics tension, have had an impact on business investments and market competitions, which has indirect affected the share office market and political factors. Government policy support. Many governments has implement policy to support small business and enterprises, such as providing tax incentive, and this measure has helped the development of shared office. Soccer factors. Changing in working styles. The model workplace places increased price on flexibilities and work-life balance, and shared office provide an environment that academics these changes. Technology factors. Cloud competition and globalization tools. Otherwise, in cloud technology and online globalization tools have made working in different locations more efficient, supporting the operation of shared office. Environment factors. Growing demand for green office space, companies and individuals are increasingly increased to choose environmentally friendly work environmentals. Legal factors. Privacy and data protection laws. As data protection laws rise, shared office providers need to ensure that their IT skills comply.
Hello everyone, let me introduce to you how to use the 5-force model to analyze the industry. We selected and introduced a model within the industry. The first one is the risk of entry of potential competitors. The sharing economy often requires significant initial investments in technology platforms and marketing. However, for some areas of the sharing economy, barriers to entry may be low, leading to the emergence of new entrants. Established platforms with strong network effect may have higher barriers to entry. New entrants may be involved in the established development rates of the industry. Marketing is difficult to create their own unique products and thus disappear in the tide of the time. The next one is the bargaining power of the suppliers. technology vendor may have a higher bargaining power if they provide key component of the platform. The next one is competitors within the industry. The sharing economy is often characterized by fierce competition. The key to success in this space is adaptability, innovation, and the ability to build and maintain strong network effects. The next one is the threat of the substitutes. With the development of the science and the technology, most industries are facing competition with their substitute industries. The last one is buyers' bargaining power. In the share economy, buyers usually have a higher bargaining power. Summarize of all, if you want to stand out in the industry, you must adapt to the development and the change of this industry. Innovative new models and marketing method and ability to establish and maintain high technology network platform. Next, we will introduce the next part, industry internal environment analysis. The picture shows the situation of tangible assets within our industry. The next part is intangible assets. The intangible assets of shared space including brand value, user community, platform technology, business model, and data accumulation. The first one is brand building. Create a unique brand image, improve brand awareness, and attract more users and partners. The second one is user experience optimization. By continuously improving service quantity and user experience, we will enhance user stickiness and encourage users to use the platform more frequently. The next one is technology innovation. Continue to invest in research and development to maintain leading technological levels and improve the reliability and innovation capability of platform. The next one is community building. Establish a strong user community. Promote cooperation and communication among users through social interaction and from sharing and win ecosystem. The next one is data management and analysis. Make full use of data assets to provide strong support for decision making by analyzing user behavior and market trends, optimizing action and launching personalized service. The next one is legal and compliance. Pay attention to the protection of intellectual property rights, comply with relevant laws and regulation, establish a compliance system, and reduce legal risks. The last one is international expansion. Consider expanding the share space business to international market and make full use of brand and technological adventures.
Now I would like to describe another part of analysis in internal environment of the industry. Through the analysis of the abilities and core competitiveness to illustrate the future development trends of the shared office space. In terms of the abilities, we sort out 4 parts: marketing and brand building, innovations, management, and others. Now let's focus on explaining the 3 outstanding capabilities in the shared office space. First of all, shared office space companies can accurately position themselves and use multi-channel for brand promotion, including online promotion, offline activities, social media, and apps, and then integrate marketing, actively handle users' issues, manage users' reputation by providing excellent service, and respond to the user quickly, strengthen users' loyalty to the brand, and establish effects. Secondly, is about the innovation ability. Shared office space has good innovation abilities in space design and have highly sensitive to make changes and new technical changes. Also, because shared office space can bring together companies in different fields and with different developments on the same platforms, it's easier to establish partnerships with the corporate service. And then in management, shared office space has excellent flexibility, as well as managers of the co-working space are well done to foster a positive, collaborative community and then they are usually provide a very good office supporting service to fully meet the needs of users. In addition to the three core abilities, shared office space companies are also outstanding in the risk management, sustainable development, financial management, and so on. And in order to analyze its core competitiveness, we use the Vedio model. The Vedio model is a framework to evaluating an industry's resource and capability to determine whether they provide a competitive advantage. And V is valued, and I is immutability, and R represent reality, and O is organization. Now let's take a look at the specific analysis. First of all, valued. Shared office space provides a multi-dimensional value to office users. These values are not only reflected in the physical space provided, but also in the social and professional networks built. Secondly, reality. It's a unique, innovative management model and culture construction. Shared office runs with the advanced space manager concepts, highly flexible office space, and technical support provided to facilitate users' work. For the immutability, the pros is that the irreplaceability of the shared office space has both good ecosystem and complex operating system. It's compressive for service and deserves space portions. Finally, a good organization will represent in a good management system and efficient service operation rules. The space management can use the modern technology and realize real-time management and effective resource or location through network, which can help it develop well in the future.
The following is SWOT analysis. We can get 4 different strategies. The first one is SO. We can continuously innovate, expand market share, and build ecosystems to create greater market value. The second one is WO. We can redesign service models and space layouts, or shift to a more environmentally friendly and sustainable operating model. The third one is ST. We can provide diversified workplace options, including virtual office services, or expand business to emerging markets or different countries. The last one is WT. We can strengthen data security measures to protect customer information and optimize business processes and resource utilization to control costs. Chapter 3. Pregnancies. First, we should identify uncertainties. We found 2 in total. The first one is the popularity of telework. The development of cloud computing, high-speed internet, and diversified writing tools make remote work more feasible. If remote working becomes a long-term trend, some businesses may eliminate their offices altogether, and thus the market demand for shared office space gets reduced. The second one is economic environment. The economic environment determines most of the business status. Global economic trends, investor and consumer confidence in the economic outlooks, and laws, regulations, and various policies enacted by the government influence the winds of change in business and economic activities. Based on the above 2 uncertain factors, we can use the scenario matrix to create a scenario and storyline. We use the life of a flower to name 4 different scenarios. First, name denomination. This period at the top left corner of the matrix, shared office space becomes the best option for many businesses and individuals. Due to the recession, shared office space merchants may shift their strategy to offer more affordable options to consumers. The second one, named Blossomy. This period represents the upper right-hand corner of the matrix. In this scenario, shared office spaces become a hotspot for networking and innovation. At this time, businesses not only provided infrastructure but also advanced equipment. In the lower right corner of the matrix called 4, the traditional office model becomes mainstream at this point. Shared office spaces may serve traditional businesses and teams more than individuals working remotely. It's more likely to be located in downtowns and office buildings to serve consumers on short-term projects. The last one is Vedio. It is a huge task for the shared workspace industry. At this time, it's necessary to reduce operating costs, and consumers are mainly oriented to small businesses and entrepreneurs. More value-added services such as business consulting and legal support can be developed to attract more consumers. Now let's see the chapter 4, prescription. First, we will discuss about the Black Swan event. For the shared office space industry, we have the following two black swan events to speculate on. First, a global health crisis has re-emerged. Similar to the COVID-19, the health crisis has forced many businesses to shift to remote working models, putting shared offices under great threat. This will lead to a decrease in market demand and will also bring great challenges to the operation of the entire shared office. They must adapt their service models to a market that is more focused on health and safety while maintaining costs. Second, breakthrough technological innovation. For example, virtual reality technology will completely change the way we work. Enterprise employees can work effectively in a virtual environment, which makes the traditional office model decline and even replace the traditional office. At the same time, the entire market will undergo major reforms and the new competition will emerge. Shared office will be challenged by virtual working.
Next is a container about industry standage. The first part is the diversified standage. A diversified standage can enhance stability and sustainability by diversifying risks and reducing dependence on changes in a single market. Meet the needs of different customers by providing a variety of workspaces and services. We can also provide customized solutions. At the same time, through different service models or technology interactions, we provide unique experience and functions to stand out in the market. It should be noted that when implementing a diversification strategy, companies need to carefully evaluate the potential risks and the rewards of new markets and new products and ensure that they are consistent with the core business. Technological innovations, such as introduction of the latest smart devices, can be used to create an efficient and intelligent working environment and improve work efficiency. Data analytics, machine learning, and other techniques can also be used to provide customers with a more intelligent and personalized service experience, such as processing user needs and optimizing space layout. In terms of sustainable innovation, recycling workspaces can be designed to improve resource utilization and reduce waste and energy waste. Green energy technology can also be used to a certain extent to create an environmentally friendly and energy-saving shared office space. Next is the Chapter 5 summary and present the specific problems faced by China's shared office space industry include the following aspects. Face market competition, increased difficulty in making profits, financial pressure, the impact of the epidemic on office demand, regulatory and policy risks, security and privacy issues, talent recruitment and retention, impact of economic circles, technological changes, corporate social responsibility. These challenges require shared office space companies to maintain keen organization, respond flexibly, and constantly adjust strategies to adapt to the changing business environment. The combined effect of these factors requires the shared office industry to constantly adjust its business strategies and improve service quality, so that we can stand out in the face market competition. The following are the main future development trends of the industry. Social interaction and cooperation will become core features of co-working spaces. The office space of the future will not only be a workplace, but also a platform for socialization and cooperation. Industry integration and service differentiation will become the key to competition, while leading companies will attract customers by providing differentiated services and unique brand images. Remote working and hybrid working modes will be promoted. Shared office spaces will pay more attention to adapting to the needs of remote working, while promoting the development of hybrid office modes to achieve an organization combination of online and offline. The application of new working methods and techniques will become an important driver of development. The co-working space industry needs to continuously adapt to new working methods and technologies. The emergence of these trends will bring new opportunities and challenges to the shared office space industry. We need to pay close attention to market changes and adjust standards to adapt to future development. Finally, the summary part. Nowadays, under the sharing economic model, companies can use platform integration capabilities and community wrapping effects to conduct efficient transactions and interactions at lower costs. Our long-term development is inseparable from the guidance of the sharing concept. Through your placeable product and service experience, enhancing customer loyalty, practice the concept of sharing, concern creation, and win-win. and makes contributions to the policy implementation of promoting mass information and interpretation shape great contribution. The above is a report of our group. Thank you for watching.